If you're at this point, you have done tutorial number 1, which is place it, and tutorial number 2, which is view it. Now we're going to move on to number 3, which is move it. All right, let's click on it. Move it. Let's get this open. All right. In move it, we're going to follow the directions on the side like we have done for the other tutorials. It says move it. Let's move shapes around the work plane. Remember, the work plane is the blue base here. It says instructions, continue to the next step. Hey, guys, step number 1 was pretty easy. Okay. It says move each box. Move each box shape to the hint. Let's jump in. It says instructions, left click and drag each box to one of the hints. Okay, so I'm going to click on it with my left mouse button and I'm going to drag it over there. And I'm going to get it kind of in there. Okay, I'm going to drag this one. And this thing's a little annoying, the little shape drop down menu. So I'm just going to click this little arrow here, close it up. I'm going to drag that one in. I'm going to drag that one in. All right, so looks like we've done that. Next step. Now we're going to move the box height. It says, now that you've mastered the basics of moving around the work plane, let's try to move a shape vertically. When you move a shape up or down, you're moving it along the Z-axis. We have X-axis goes side to side, Y-axis goes front and back, and Z is going to go up and down. So let's learn how to do that. It says, select a box shape to highlight it. And then it says, click and hold the arrow icon on the top of the selected shape to lift it off to the work plane and into the hints. So here's our arrow. I'm going to click and I'm going to move it up. Okay. Oh, I need to actually go back because I need to do all of them. Let's click this one. Click. See, there's our arrow shape. Sound effects not included. Okay, here we go. There's this one. And finally, this one. But you know, I can hardly see this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys a hint. Over here on this side, right under the home, there is this bracket. And if you hover over it, it says fit view to select shapes. So I've already clicked this box here, and I want to zoom to this box. So I'm going to click on that. All right, now I can see the box. I can use my scroll wheel to zoom in and out. I've got my arrow, and now I can go up. Perfect. But here's the deal too. I want to see the whole screen. Now that I've zoomed in, I can come back up, click home, and it moves it right back. Now, you've got them moved, you've got them elevated. Take your screenshot and put that into the slideshow so that you can turn it in when we're done with the tutorial. All right, good luck.